Poems. Tree Huggers. In this poem, the poet talks about the importance of saving trees. Read the following poem. Release it now, just like a big balloon. A prayer to reach the mountains of the moon. To citizens of earth, alas, we say, go find yourself a tree to hug today. Explanation. Release a prayer now, just like you release a big balloon. Let the prayer reach the mountains of the moon and to the citizens of earth with grief that they should find a tree for themselves to hug. And if a grown-up says, don't be a fool, or is that what they are teaching you in school? Just find this poem and read this simple rhyme. It's cool to hug a tree from time to time. Explanation. And if any grown-up person says that, don't be a fool, or is that what you learn in your school? Then just find this poem in your book and read this rhyme. Tell them that it is cool to hug a tree from time to time. Children, this is how the world can be, making Earth Plan A and not Plan B, where change, share change, sing change, bring change, and start by hugging a tree. Explanation. Children, this is how we can make Earth a Plan A and not Plan B to live. We should wear or accept the change, share it, sing it, and bring the change. So started by hugging a tree.